Ever had a gadget stop working, then come back to life? That's likely a resettable fuse at work. Today we're introducing the PPTC resettable fuse, which stands for Polymer Positive Temperature Coefficient device. Unlike one-time fuses, they reset themselves after an overload, restoring the circuit once the fault clears. Now let's dive into how it works. Inside each PPTC is a polymer material loaded with conductive particles. Under normal conditions, those conductive particles form continuous paths, so electricity flows freely. When excess current flows, the polymer heats up and expands, breaking particle connections. This raises resistance, cutting off the current and protecting the circuit. Once the fault passes, the polymer cools, then contracts. Conductive particles reconnect, the resistance drops to normal, and current flows again. The PPTC resets itself, ready to protect again. So why use a PPTC? Because it's reusable. It trips during faults and resets automatically, reducing downtime and maintenance cost. Equipment can get back up and run as soon as the overload is gone. It responds quickly when trouble strikes, and it's in compact sizes, which is great for today's densely packed electronics and enclosed systems. You're probably wondering, where are they used? The answer is all over the place. For example, USB ports. If you accidentally short out a USB port, the PPTC will trip and temporarily cut down the current. If that port had a one-time fuse, it would stay dead until a new fuse was installed. Not exactly user-friendly. We also find them in LED lighting systems, where a surge shouldn't mean a permanent burnout, in small motors that might stall or overload briefly, in network routers that need to stay up 24/7, and in battery management systems, automotive devices, or even in some medical equipment. In summary, PPTC resettable fuses offer a smart and reliable solution. They are often paired with other components like TVS diodes for complete protection against both current and voltage spikes. Want to learn more? Check out our full training series and website. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.